This is a puppy, but not just any puppy. It is part of the first batch of puppies in the world bred using in vitro fertilization, and the way these puppies came into the world could someday help save endangered species. IVF is commonly used in humans, but scientists have failed for decades to adapt the procedure for dogs. Scientist Jennifer Nagashima says dog reproductive systems have some quirks that make IVF tricky.
One example is when canids ovulate or release an egg, it is released at an immature stage. So it actually requires another 48 to 72 hours in the oviduct, which is also known as the fallopian tube in human medicine, in order to finish maturation and be competent to fertilize.
Nagashima and her colleagues at the Smithsonian Conservation Biology Institute and Cornell University have developed a technique to circumvent these quirks. This involved allowing the eggs to mature in female dogs and then figuring out the best moment or stage to harvest them. They also found ways to increase the potency of sperm by using magnesium, which helped the little swimmers penetrate the egg. These fortified sperm were used to fertilize eggs, and then the resulting embryos were frozen. The embryos were then implanted in surrogate mothers, and then 2 months later, 7 healthy puppies were born. While these results might excite dog breeders, the scientists want to expand the technique for use in endangered canines, like the Ethiopian wolf, which has less than 500 members surviving in the wild, or Mexican gray wolves, which were nearly hunted to extinction due to their competition with ranchers. Using IVF with these species could bolster their numbers and improve their genetic diversity, but for now, the world will have to be content with its first batch of puppies.